Yeah, good morning, guys. Let's study how to use curtain wall to form windows and other face glass, windows and the rest, Let's see how we can go about it. We just be fast about everything. So let's go to our 3D. This is our 3D. You can see this. This stuff was created with curtain wall. Yeah, but this window was face anyway. But this stuff was created with curtain wall, so we are going to study how we can get this like this. So first, let's go to our ground floor. We go to our floor. No, I don't want to tamper with this plan already because I want to use it for other things. But let's move it and we go to wall. We just create our own wall and see how we can do about it. You go to wall, you create wall. Use the curtain wall already. So we go to wall, architectural. Generic. Okay. Just click to this. You just get our wall. Let's go here. You get our wall. Just square wall. And go to 3D. You can see your wall here. You can see this wall. Yeah. So we go back to our floor. Copy this. Let's copy it and create another level. You go like this, click on it, and you copy. And you copy, you go to the first, and you just first floor level, first floor level. You click, and I think you're cutting it, and you go to 3D, you check it there. So this is another level. So let's get our floor. Let's put our floor here. We go to ground floor, and you just click on floor. Click on floor and architectural floor, and just let's use our data floor. That's okay. You have gotten your floor. So you go to 3D and see what you have gotten. Want to move this floor to, let's go to our front view. Our front view. Want to move this floor. Want to move this floor here. So you just copy. Yeah, I've gotten the floor here. So you go to your 3D and you watch it. You can see. And there's no need changing the color. It's just for practical. We'll delete all this later. So you go here. Yeah, let's try and create this kind of window here. Well, first of all, let's go to our uh, let's go to our first floor level. First floor level. So we go to use your curtain wall to do all this. You go to architectural wall. You go to wall. You go to architecture. and you go to architecture. You go to architecture, abi. When you go to architecture, you go to wall. You click this drop down, and you go to wall architecture. Wall architecture. You click on it. When you click on it, you click this property. You click to this drop down too. Then you go down. You go down to make sure you see your curtain wall. You have seen curtain wall here. So these are the kind of curtain wall you have here. You have curtain wall. You have a exterior glazing. You have storefront. So, but first, let's see how we can use this exterior, this curtain wall first. If you want to create, if you want to create with this curtain wall, this do not have mullion or grid on it. It's just a plain wall. You can fix your own mullion and grid the way you want it, manually. But others, we will still come to others. Okay, let's first use this. You want to create a curtain wall here on this wall. I think the best thing I would do is, some people they go here and maybe you create it. Maybe this is the place you want to create it. You create it like this. You go drag it to wherever you want to drag it to. Click. When you click, you can see this is your curtain wall. This is your curtain wall. But if you go to the 3D, you can't see it here because you do not have an opening here. So that's it. But if you want to see whatever you have created, this curtain wall you have created, if you click, if you go over your cursor on this, you can see that there is something inside here, but you can't see. So if you want to see this, you just go to your ground floor, click on it. You go to your ground floor, click on it. If you want to see that, you go to your ground floor, click on it. And I think you first of all click on this wall. Click on this wall. Now go to court. When you go to court, you click on this wall. When you click on the wall, then you hover your cursor on this curtain wall you have created and click on it. Now you have opened the wall to see the curtain wall. Then you go to your 3D. These are how some people do their own. We have two types. The way you can do it, you can see it. Then you can now adjust it the way you really want your curtain wall to be. This is another way of doing it. But there are other ways. So let's delete this first. There are other ways. Let me show you the other way of doing it. Let's delete this again. You delete this. You see it has come back. Then you go to your front view. Let's go to your front view. If you want to create this curtain wall again, you can just go to your front view and click on this wall. When you click on this wall, you go to edit. When you go to edit, you just measure wherever you want to put your curtain wall. You just cut it yourself. When you edit the wall, you cut it yourself. Set your measurement the way you want it. When you set your measurement, look at it. You set your normal measurement the way you want it and how you want it to be. Let's delete this. Maybe you just want your measurement both from the top to this. Let's just go it manually. So this, you get this, you get this, you get this, and you get this, maybe. You get this. Okay, let's leave this. Maybe you just want this to be 250. You just click on this. Click on this, you get 250. And you want this height to be maybe 27. 27. You click on this and you just get your 27. 27. Just go. See, you have gotten this. So you delete it. You delete this and you delete this. Then you go to your floor, you go to your first floor level. Okay. You go to your first floor level, you can see where you have created it. You can see the sign is here already. So you go to your architecture, you go to your architecture, you go to architecture. Then that curtain wall I've shown, then you just drag your curtain wall from here to here, and you say okay, and you say okay. Then you go to your elevation, you go to your 3D and you watch it. You can see your curtain wall is already here. So these are two ways to put in your curtain wall. Then if you can see that this curtain wall is just plain. There is no mullion in it, no line, no grid line on it. So if you want to create all this grid line, you just go to your grid. You can see your grid. All segment, one segment, all except picked. So you just, what you do is to click on this curtain wall. Let's go. You click on this curtain wall. Now, okay, you go to your floor and you click on the curtain wall. Then you go to your approach view. You go to modify, go to architecture, you go to grid, and you say, when you hover your cursor on the curtain wall, you can see it's showing you where to draw your grid. You can just click on this. You have drawn this grid horizontally, and you still click on your curtain wall. If you need another one, you can draw it. But if you want to click vertically, you can click on this. You see, when you click on this, it show you. You can move it, you click on it. So it has shown you where to draw, you draw, and you click on it again. Show you again, you draw. You can get another one, you draw. So you can also come back here and draw another grid if you want to. Then you exist. When you exist and you go to your 3D, you can see that this is your grid, but it is not yet a mullion. If you go through it like this, you find out that there's no mullion in it. You just divide the glass on it. You can see there's no mullion in it. Then if you want to divide, if you want to have a mullion, you first of all click on it. You go to your front view again. You click. You go to your floor. You go to your first floor. You click on it again. Then you go to your front view. And you go to your front view. You come back here. You just click on it. Measure. Just make sure that this is measured. Set your measurement for this grid because this grid was drawn without a measurement. So what you do, you just set your measurement. Whatever distance you want to put on this, you can put it. You know. So this is it. When you go here, just go here. You want to get maybe 900 here. You go 900. You input. Okay. You delete this. You delete this. Okay. You go back to your measurements, you measure from here because we want it to be equal. Here, here, you get it. If you want this three to be equal, you just click your equal. You see, all has become equal shape. You delete this. When you delete this, I think you remove this. I want to remove this. I don't need this volume here. So as I've deleted that, I don't need this. I just need it in one side. Yeah, I just need this grid here. Because I need dot to be here. So you first of all take the measurement of this dot. I take the measurement of this dot. Let's go to modify. You take the measurement. Let's see what's the measurement. Okay. Let's say I need it to be to 24. So I take it here. Delete this. I need another mullion here. I need to divide this place more. Let me go here. I think you go to architecture. You go to another grade, cutting grade, one segment. You click to one segment. I think you get this. So you get this. You get this. Just you can see it. You can put down your measurement after it. You get it. It just depends on what you want. Depends on what you want, you know. You can just leave this, you know. Just leave it the way you want. Then you use your measurement and get whatever you want to get, you know. When you go to your this thing, you can see how it looks. So this is it. You can see how it looks. So we go back to our and click this. So we go back to our front view. We go back to our front view with this, you know. You have seen that we want the dot to be here, so we use it so that this. So you can see this is solid grid line. If you need mullion to be here, you can use your measurement and take the measurement off for this, but I don't want to waste time. If you want the measurement, I think you just click to this mullion. Then you can see grid line. You can see grid line segment or grid line. Grid line, you click to all grid line. See? When you click to all grid line, then you hover your cursor here. You see this and you just click on it. And the all grid line is show. All grid line is show where necessary. And use this. Okay. the grid line extended, the mullion. Let's remove this. Why is it extended? You go to mullion. Okay, I think the why is showing that maybe the glass is showing. Okay, this is the glass. We did not edit this. We edit it. Delete element. Okay. Then you yeah. Okay. Now you have edited this. So you go to grade. You go to mullion. Then you go to mullion. You click to mullion. You click here. Then you hover your cursor on this and you just click. You can see that all grid line has been showed. So you go to your 3D, review what you have seen. So this is it. This is what we have gotten. You can see it. You can see it. So you can change this volume. You can change it. You go to your front view. You can change the mullion to whatever size you want. You click on the mullion. Then when you click on the mullion, you come back here on this type, You can see it. You can change the color. You can change the material. You can change the width size, the width size and the rest. You can change whatever you want to change. You can come here and also change it to whatever you want. Look at so many size of mullion. You can change it whatever you want. Just depends on you. You can. It is in this already. So you click here, and when you click here, you go back. And you can also make it to. You can come here and make it to be continuous. You can click continue, and it will continue. You can click break, and it will break. So it just depends on you. You can come back here with this, you duplicate it. After duplicating, you can go like this and, change the size. Let's make this 5. I'll make this 5. 5. And you say, okay, let's see what it will give. You can see it. I'll give you this. So you go back to your 3D. You can select all and do it. Go back to your 3D and see how little it is, So it just depends on you, depends on what you want. So still clicking on it, you go to your edit. You can say position parallel to ground, system mullion profile rectangle. You can change all this, You can put circular if you want it to be circle. You click and you see it. You can also go back here and do default and you click. You can see it. You can go here, bring it back to normal parallel. You can go here, put it to pen the face. You click it. You come to only the face. You can go here. You click this thickness. You can do that. Angle and the rest of the things. You set it the way you want, how you want it. So this is it. So this is how to create. You can change your materials to whatever you want to change your material to. If you don't like the color, you change the material to whatever you wish. Go here. Let's this corner mullion. Let's see what this corner mullion means. Corner mullion. Offset 0. Go to this set 90. Just play with it, know what to do. Play with it, get more, get more things from it. Corner mullion. I want to see what this corner mullion is about. 25, let's bring it back to 25. Let's go here. 25. And go here. So you can see it. Let's go back again. You can see this is, we only show how we can do this. Let's delete this entirely. Let's delete everything we have done here. You go to your floor, you go to your first floor, you just click on it and you delete everything. Let's delete everything you have done. Both the edits, you go to your okay, you go to your, so if you want this You can see if you want this to extend, this edit. If you want the mullion, if you want the window to extend to this floor, to this level, you know, it's not going to be easy. If you want to extend this maybe to this level, it's not going to be easy. You can't extend it more than this. Even if you do this like this, you can't get it. You see, you can't edit it. It will not be editable. So what you do is, if you want to get it this way, you just delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. First of all, what you do is to delete this till this wall. You delete this wall. Now, you delete this wall. You delete this wall entirely. Then you click on this wall and you extend it. When you have extended it, then you can put your mullion and cut it. The same way we did that, it means you cannot get the full, or you just come here and you edit. When you click on edit, you are not editing the full wall. Then you go to your architecture, go to your modification, you edit. You can now edit this wall. You can see when you edit the wall and you say okay, you have edited the full wall, then you can go back, you go to floor, you go to ground floor. In case of if you are finding it difficult to do that, you go to your ground floor, first floor, you have gotten it. So what you do is just to go, let's take another curtain wall for this. So you can take glazing curtain wall. You have to take glazing curtain wall, you just go here and you click here and cut it, you know. And you have cut. You say okay, you go to your 3D and see what you have done. You can see what you have done in your 3D. With all this, you just click on it. You can extend it to where you wish. You can see you have extended it. So with this, you can see you can also change. You can see that this wall, the ground is showing on your glass. So what you do is just click on it, go to first floor, this is it. You just take the boundary now, take the wall out. So okay, go back to your 3D. You can see it. So with this, you can edit this anyhow you want to. You can go here, go to edit type, edit whatever you want, choose whatever mullion you want. There are different type of mullion here. You click on this and you can see, choose, just play with it and learn with it. When you get to, if you want to change the mullion too, you can click on directly to just go to your front view, you click directly to your mullion and also edit the kind of mullion too you want, if really it is really the mullion you want to change. So there are all that type of, just the same way we did, these are different type of way. There are other things you can do, you can also form You can also delete this if you want to delete. You can delete. You can pin unpin it and you delete it. When you delete it, you just show your ordinary glass, or you can just play with it. There are so many things to do. This is the power of Revit. So let's what else? What else? Okay. Maybe you want to fix door here. Okay. And our next lesson we will show you how to fix your glass door on this. If you want to have a glass door, you want to put two windows on it, we'll show you that when next we come. Thank you very much for watching. We don't want this to be too lengthy. Okay, thank you.